In this video I will show you how to download and install DBeaver on Windows 11. Also I will show you with one connection to database. For this, open any web browser and type download DBeaver and press enter. Click on first link pointing to official DBeaver website. As we are going to install on Windows 11, so go to Windows section. Then click on Windows installer link as shown here. You can see that the download has started. Go to the download link and double-click on that download file and your DBeaver will begin installation. Click on OK. Click on Next. You can read the license agreement and then click on I agree button. You will select first option. It will install DBeaver for all user on your computer. I want to install only for this current user, so I will select only me and click on next button. Again click on next. You can change installation location. I want to keep it as it is and click on next. Finally click on install. Click on Finish. You can see installation is completed. Now go to search and type DBeaver and select it from the list. Now in the pop-up click on Yes and it will create sample database for you to play. Click on this SQLite OBDC library and then click on Download. This will create sample SQLite database for you. In this way we download and install DBeaver on Windows 11. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.